He was walking around. Hello, Chuck. Hi, small mini me. Oh, where'd he go? Stop calling me! My God! God, these people are annoying. Hi. F5? F5? What happened? F5? Oh, crap. Stop, I don't like that. It's getting annoying.
Bro, it's so
High five?
good looking small. I'm trying to come down being small.
Do it again, I like it. Do it again. Put me on the top shelf, please. Stay on. Wait. Throw me up. This is fun. Let me leave. Give me again. Throw me up there.
I'm sorry.
Brother, throw me up there, brother. Brody, throw me up there. Throw me up there, Brody. Hey, I'm coming. Watch out. Hey. Up here. Down here. Bow.
No. Bring me up. Bring me up there.
No.
He was walking around of a lot of chopping. Chop.
Oh. No, I'm stuck. No,
You're
I'm
chopped
getting
liver, Brody. You're chopped liver.
Let me out. No, I I'm going.
Roller coaster.
I'm asking.
Right?
Come here. Bro. Wait, you do it to me now. Hey, you do it to me. I'll do it.
Catch me! No! Yeah. Put me on the top shelf. Top one. Top shelf.
Sorry. Wait, give me.
Please
Give
don't.
me. I'll do something.
No, come on.
I'll
This
do
one.
something like that. Come on, please.
This one right here. No, come back. Come here. Come and pick me up. Coochie.
You're a nigga.
Stop dropping me.
I read her for gorilla. He said the M word.
Throw me up really high. Throw me
You
up.
up here.
Please.
Got report gorilla right here. Gorilla 2. Yeah, just report him real quick. Let me get you up there. Oh, hi. Hi.
Can I tag you?
You cannot tag me. Whee!
Wait. Can I?
You gotta get my body.
Let me get in.
Throw me up on that. Throw me on that. Bro, throw me up there.
Wait. What?
Yeah, who wants on?
Stay up
Get
there.
on, little boy. You're
No, throw me
cool.
up there.
I'm stuck.
Throw me up there.
I'm stuck. No. I'm stuck.
I know. Wee.
Why am I stuck?
Because I'm evil. No!
You gotta get me out of here. Throw me over there.
Who wants on? Do
Hi,
any of the
Arnie.
little people? How?
Got him.
Sorry. Okay. Oh.
My time.
No. Who was the? You. Crystal guy. You should reach hard. After you eat me, I'll stay.
You liar, lying from my face. Guys, who wants to do the platforms glitch with me?
Me, I'll do it.
Okay, just grow. Where's all the platforms?
No, guys, you don't do that. You can only do it in a
Private codes.
Guys, whoever wants to do the platforms glitch with me, I do. Code void.
What?
V-O-I-D.
You, Crystal Guy. Crystal Guy. Wait, what's the code?
Void. How do you spell void? V-O-I-D. What?
V-O...
V-O-I-D. It's a V, it's an O, and it's an I, and it's a D. V-O-I-D. V-O-I-D. Join it.
And wait, Lisa, be looking at your phone and then you can watch me play.
I'm playing, like... Ew, what is that laugh? Oh, dude, this is so cool.
My God.
Okay, your laugh is kind of concerning. Real. Definition of...
Oh my...
Yep.
Don't get him.
Yep.
Wait, I wonder if I can just... Bro, what is this?
Got you. I got reinforcements.
Let me see what's on...
You look a balloon.
A little one.
Oh my god.
Little
That's
one.
Joy, I know you're in there.
Look at this.
I'm like, Joy, I know you're in there. You're... Who's this? Oh, it's a little one.
Little one.
Oh, you're inside me. I'm joking. What? Nah, it's the squeaker lobby again, bro. What the? Come here,
Bro. He's
No,
right
I didn't.
there.
I
Look
didn't.
at me. Oh, little one.
God.
Yoink. Oh, I can't move. I can't move. Okay. Go, go. Black. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Can't go. I can't move. Go, go.
Yo,
I'm up here.
brother.
Who's left, Val?
Drop. Is this like a new one?
Who's left?
Ooh.
Hi. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Hi. Hi.
What is that?
I'm like, hi. But why were you building like towards me though? That was so creepy. So creepy. Well, I mean not creepy, but like. Let me go. Let me go. Sure. Sure.
How are you?
I can
I can hear you.